at a deep three from Curry. Sinks it. What range?
Cream of them.
Oh, big finish. Wow.
Okay, I see you.
Boy, I like some of their attack. They knew how valuable it was to do so.
Yeah, it's clearly a focus for them in this one.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Everything Tech. Today I'm gonna show you how to fully optimize your NVIDIA Control Panel settings for absolute best performance. If you want the highest FPS, lowest input lag and the smoothest gameplay, this guide is all you need. So let's get started. First, right-click on desktop and select the NVIDIA Control Panel. If you don't see it, make sure you have the latest driver installed. For the beginning, adjust image settings with preview. You can select the third one, use my preference, emphasizing if you want to have the better FPS, select the performance, but if you want the quality, you can select the quality, but mine, I prefer to have the maximum FPS, and then you can select the middle one. Manage 3D settings. Make sure you have the high performance NVIDIA processor selected. From the image sharpening, you can make this off and have better FPS, or you can set this one on. Ambient occlusion, set this one off. Anisotropic filtering, set this one off. Anti-analyzing gamma correction, you can set this one on. Anti-analyzing mode off for better FPS. Background application max frame rate, set this one off. CUDA GPUs, make sure you have selected the main GPU. CUDA system fallback policy, driver default. Low latency mode, this is a key point. Make sure select the ultra. Max frame rate off. Multi-frame sampled, set this one off. Open GL GDI compatibility, set the preferred performance. Open GL rendering GPU, select the main GPU. Power management mode, select the preferred maximum performance. Shader cache size, driver default. And texture filtering, for better quality you can select the quality, for better performance you can select the high performance. And threaded optimization auto, and that's it. And in the end you can select apply for make changes saved, and after that select the configure surround physics. From the processor you can select the main GPU, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any further question you can comment down below. Thank you for watching.